Okay, it's cooked for 10 minutes in the microwave. It took about 5 minutes for the pressure valve to go down. Now I'm going to open the lock, click up, and then turn, lift. I'm going to stir. I'm going to taste one and see how firm they are. Just set it over here. Let's see. I would say it's pretty good. Okay, so our directions now call for butter, which a tablespoon of butter, which I have right here. I'm making a mess. So I'm putting in my tablespoon of butter. And then a half a cup of whole milk. And the best part, 2.5 cups of any type of shredded cheese you like. This is mixture from Costco. So, yeah, let me stir it up. I'll show you what it looks like. This is such an easy meal. So, getting all the stuff together, all the supplies and such, the ingredients, probably took me about, I don't know, 5 minutes before I started videoing, and then, it probably took me 5 minutes to put it all together, 10 minutes to microwave, about 5 minutes for the pressure valve to go down, and then we're adding everything. This is what we come up with. Now, let me see if I can get it up there. Super, super, super looking. So, that's dinner. Looks like you could have the, I don't know, half an hour from when you get home to on the table. Thank you guys.